kids, have you ever shared a pizza or a chocolate bar and wondered who gets how much? Today, we're going on a fun adventure to learn fractions, and I promise it's easier than it sounds. Let's break things into pieces and have some fun. So let's get started.
Welcome to our Fraction Foundation series, Day 1 for Grade 3 to 5. Easiest way to understand fractions is that they are part of a whole. Sometimes we don't need a whole thing, we need just a part of it, like a slice of pizza or a piece of chocolate. A fraction is composed of a numerator and
Denominator. If we go the numerator and denominator, we can create a fraction in more time. Fraction is equal to numerator over denominator. Numerator tells us how many parts we take. Denominator tells how many equal parts the whole is divided into. So let us remember it in the form of a formula. We'll be using this throughout the video. A whole can be divided into equal parts. All the parts should be equal. Here we can see these two objects shown as whole. To understand about the fractions using these whole parts, we have to divide it into few parts. So let us divide it here into three parts. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Total number of parts is equal to 3. Now let us divide it into 5 parts. So there are 5 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4 and Part 5. Total number of parts is equal to 5. Let us understand how to identify the shaded fraction in a whole. Here, these two whole are divided into 5 parts. In both the figures, number of shaded parts is equal to 2. Total number of parts is equal to 5. So, shaded fraction is equal to number of shaded parts divided by total number of parts. So, total number of parts are 5 and number of shaded parts are 2. So, shaded fraction is equal to 2 by 5. Now time to solve few questions. Identify the shaded fractions here. In the first figure, total number of parts are 5 and number of shaded parts are 3. So shaded fraction is equal to 3 by 5. In the next figure, total number of parts are again 5 and number of shaded parts is 1. So shaded fraction becomes 1 by 5. Here, total number of parts are 5 and number of shaded parts are 3. So shaded fraction becomes 3 by 5. In the next question, total number of parts are 6 and total number of shaded parts are 3. So the shaded fraction becomes 3 by 6. Now, children, you can have a quiz for your practice and there will be few questions given. With every question, there is a timer which starts with the question and there will be 10 seconds given for you to think the answer. You can tell us your score in the comments. And remember, efforts matter more than marks. Like, if this became clear, subscribe our channel for the next topic of the series. Share with friends who find fraction confusing. We will be soon there with our next topic for day 2. You can now take up the quiz. All the best!